Hey Spartans, I'm KV.
And I'm Travis for Channel 101 News. Today is Friday, February 2nd, 2024.
So glad the week is over. Hey Trav, are you going to the winter formal dance this Saturday?
Yes, don't forget we have the Winter Carnival dance tomorrow in the cafeteria from 7 to 10 p.m. Make sure you come in your Royal Gala attire. Hey KV, what's your favorite dance move?
I don't know. Let's go over to Sarah and Lila May for some fun dance moves to bust out at the dance.
From the studio, our live broadcast starts now. Wow, those are some interesting dance moves. I might have to try some of those out at the dance.
Yeah, me too. I really like the dap at the end.
Also, reminder, seniors, all senior quotes are due at the end of the day today. If you do not submit a quote, you will have the basic congrats class of 2024.
Another reminder, the senior class of 2024 will be selling foam glow wands today at the end of the day and before the game tonight. The theme is neon, so get your glow wand and be ready to when the lights are out to cheer on your Spartans. Each wand is $3 or 2 for $5. Let's get our glow wand and support our team.
So KV, are you a big bowling person?
Yeah, I love hitting the bowling alley with my friends Saturday nights for cosmic bowling here and there.
Nice. Well, have you been following the Lakeview bowling team?
No, I haven't heard much from them this season.
Well, let's go to Olivia and Mars to see how the bowling team is doing.
My entire family bowls, so I just figured I'm not liking basketball right now, might as well bowl.
I've been bowling for 10 to 12 years, and I saw that we hadn't won a city championship in like 7 years, something like that, so I wanted to win.
I've been bowling ever since 3rd or 4th grade. My grandparents did it, my uncle, my mom.
I just started this year. I just thought it was a cool sport.
It's like super competitive, and there's not like any limitations, like you don't have to be like super fast or super strong or anything. It's really just like it all comes down to skill.
The tournaments are really fun if you can get to them.
The opportunities and people you get to meet, when we're all together, we usually just laugh and joke about stuff.
We've all been bowling together for years, and some of them I've known for like 10 plus years. They're like family to me.
Good luck with the rest of the season, bowling team.
One more thing, sophomores and juniors that are not already a part of NHS, applications to join have been sent to students with a cumulative GPA of 3.5 or higher. Please follow the directions in the Google form you received if you would like to apply.
Applications are due by the end of the school day on March 8th. If you have not received an application and believe you qualify, please contact Mr. France.
Hey Trav, can you believe it's 112 days until we cross the stage?
No, I can't believe our high school year is coming to an end soon.
Yeah, I know. It's been a crazy 4 years, but hey, I can't wait to see what the future holds for everyone.
Hey KV, have you been feeling bummed out lately?
Yeah, just a little bit down in the dumps with the year moving so fast.
Yeah, me too.
Well, let's go over to our next segment with Positivity with Jane and Alyssa to raise our spirits.
Hey guys, I was gonna wear pajama pants. Glad I didn't, since you just saw my body. Anyway, I'm Alyssa. I'm Jaden. And today we're here to bring you some PositiviTEA. We just want to talk about some positive things that are happening in the school right now, or things to look forward to. And we have a word of the day. We do.
Today's word is sanguine. Someone who is optimistic or positive, especially in an apparently bad or difficult situation.
What tea did you pick today to be your delightful favorite?
I picked some sleepy time tea, but mine doesn't have a
string, so it's sticking down. I chose English breakfast today, and mine does come with the string. So lucky me.
So, what are some upcoming events that we can rattle off and tell the viewers?
Well, we actually have our winter carnival, which by the time this is out is going to be tomorrow.
Yes.
So
That's exciting.
yes,
And I hope you all had fun at the pep rally and dressing up for Spirit Week.
yeah. Another thing that's coming up is Valentine's Day.
Very controversial holiday, I'll say.
Yeah,
But-
spreading the love.
Spreading the love, yeah, regardless. You know, I think it's very easy to think of this holiday in a negative way if you're not in a relationship, but it doesn't have to be that way.
Yeah,
Like,
you can spend time with your friends, or you can spend time just practicing some self-love.
self-love is a good way to start. Or just spreading love in general. Like, you could give love to your friends or your family.
Or your community.
Yeah. Or you could do what a lot of us girlies are doing who are currently single. Do some Galentines, getting together, you know, enjoying your company with one another. You know a good way to stay positive?
What's that?
To think positive.
Oh yes, have an optimistic outlook on life.
I'm trying to think. Let me see if I can find any tea jokes.
The only way out is brew it, guys. But
Wait, that's good.
Alexa, play laugh track.
Love Shack. This is their song.
Love Shack.
Bye,
Let's get this
Cutie.
party started. It's a brew tea full day.
Oh wait, we've talked about finals and be like, I'm so stressed. Settle down. I know there's a lot of interesting and exciting things coming up the next few weeks, but keep on looking to find things to look forward to throughout your days and throughout your weeks.
Yeah. Change your mindset to be positive, and remember to try to be sanguine in anything you're going through.
That's all for us tonight. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Jaden, and we hope that you have received some positivity.
Thanks for all the positivity this Friday, guys. If you have enjoyed this little preview of positivity, stay tuned for information on how to follow the official podcast.
Yeah, I really need that. I'm going to keep some of those pointers in mind throughout the rest of the school year.
Yeah, me too, no cap.
No cap. What the heck is up with this thing in the hallways? Hey, Trav, hate to hear on my soul in the hallway.
No, but there are some crazy sayings going around nowadays.
Yeah, let's go see what some of the teachers had to hear about some of the slang in the hallways.
Well, that's all for today's show. With Channel 101 News, I'm Travis.
And I'm KV. Have a good weekend, Spartans.
I'm not improv. I'm not a Gordon.
Ken Gordon. Lane Gordon.
Sherry Woods. I'm Mrs. Patton.
I'm Mrs. Hassing, and this is Teenage Slang.
Let me go to my locker, bruh.
Gang, gang.
Like, say it as a student one.
Big dog. Bruh. 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 I want to spill the tea.
Big dog.
Cat.
Means lie. Oh. Cat, no cat.
Hey, big dog, let me go to my locker.
Bruh, I was like, bro.
For shizzle.
Gang gang.
We vibing.
Bruh.
Spill the tea. Spill the tea? Bruh.
Yeah, this music's so good, we vibing.
It's awesome. Spill the tea. Yeah, I want to spill the tea. Spill the tea? Spill the tea. I want the gossip.
Big dog, I was like, bro. I was at the gym and I was like, big dog, I was putting up 500. Vibing.
Is that like on Dasher, on Dancer? On Dancer, on God?
Bible?